Tired of spending hours crafting personalized emails and texts for your real estate leads? Let's unlock Kvore's secret weapon tokens. These nifty shortcuts will automate your communication, saving you precious time and boosting engagement. First, understand what a token is. It's a placeholder that Kvcore automatically replaces with specific information from your contact's profile. Think name, property address, or even appointment time. Ready to use them when creating or editing an email or text template in Kvcore. You'll see a tokens drop-down menu. Click it to reveal a list of available options. Choose the token that matches the information you want to insert. For example, to personalize with the lead's first name, select first name. Kvcore will automatically insert the corresponding code into your message. Now, when the email or text is sent, the token will magically transform into the lead's actual first name. But it doesn't stop there. Explore other tokens like property address, last activity date, or even custom fields you've created. The possibilities are endless. Tokens work seamlessly within Kvore's smart campaigns to automate entire sequences of personalized messages with ease. So, ditch the copy-pasting and embrace the power of Kvcore tokens. Start saving time, engaging your leads, and closing more deals today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Kvcore tips and tricks.